Okay, next one we have to factor. How are we going to factor 12z to the power of 2 minus 60z? What do we have in common between those two? Anybody? Between 12 and 60, what do we have in common?
6.
6. Okay, so if I factor the 6 out, it would be 6z, right? So I ask myself, what times 6z give me this first term? Anyone?
2z.
2z, very good. And then same thing, what times 6z give me the second term?
10.
Minus 10. But 6 is not the greatest common factor, looks like it, isn't it? Because I still have 2 in common between those two, don't I?
12.
So 12 was the greatest common factor. Does that make sense? So you should have factored the 12. The greatest common factor between of 12 and 60 is 12, right? So if I factor the 12z, what do I get here? Give me z here. And then what do I get here? What times 12 give me 60?
5.
5? So 12z times z minus 5, that would be a right factor then, right? That would be b. Does that make sense? See, if you did factor this, because you have 2 in common between these two, if I factor the 2 out here, see what happens? If I factor the 2, I get z minus 5. See, this 2 and this 6 would be this 12 here, really. Does that make sense? Okay, once again, check mark if you know how to factor this one.